Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Resolving No Module Named Requests Error in Python. Introduction. When working with Python, you may encounter the No Module Named Requests error, which indicates that the requests module is not installed on your system. The requests library is a popular HTTP library for making HTTP requests in Python. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of resolving this error and installing the requests module. Step 1. Verify if requests module is installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to check if the requests module is installed. If the module is installed, you will see information about the requests package. If not, move on to the next step. Step 2. Install requests module. To install the requests module, use the following command. This command will download and install the requests library from the Python package index, PyPI. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to use the requests module in your Python scripts without encountering the No Module Named Requests error. Step 3. Verify installation. After the installation, verify that the requests module is now available by running the following command. This command should print the version number of the requests library, confirming that it is now installed. Step 4. Example usage. Now that the requests module is installed, let's create a simple Python script to demonstrate its usage. Create a new Python file, example.py, and add the following code. Save the file and run it using the following command. This script uses the requests module to make a simple HTTP GET request to the JSON placeholder API and prints the title and body of a post. If the script runs successfully without any errors, you have successfully resolved the No Module Named Requests error. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the steps to resolve the No Module Named Requests error in Python by installing the requests module using the pip package manager. Additionally, we provided a simple example script to demonstrate the usage of the requests library for making HTTP requests. ChatGPT. Title: Troubleshooting No Module Named Requests Error in Python. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language with a vast ecosystem of libraries and modules. Sometimes, you may encounter an error like No Module Named Requests when trying to run a script that relies on the requests module. This error typically indicates that the requests module is not installed in your Python environment. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of resolving this issue and installing the requests module. Step 1. Understanding the error. The error message No Module Named Requests suggests that Python cannot find the requests module in its standard library or any installed third-party libraries. This means you need to install the requests module. Step 2. Installing the requests module. You can install the requests module using the pip command, which is the package installer for Python. Open your command prompt or terminal and type the following command. This command will download and install the requests module from the Python package index, PyPI. After the installation is complete, you should be able to use the requests module in your Python scripts. Step 3. Verifying the installation. To ensure that the requests module is installed successfully, create a simple Python script and import the module. Here's an example. Save the script and run it using the following command. If the installation was successful, you should see the status code and content of the specified URL printed on the console. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we addressed the No Module Named Requests error in Python by installing the requests module using the pip command. We then verified the installation with a simple script that makes an HTTP request using the requests module. By following these steps, you can resolve this common issue and start using the requests module in your Python projects. ChatGPT. Title: Resolving No Module Named Requests Error in Python. Introduction. One common issue that Python developers encounter is the No Module Named Requests error, especially when trying to use external libraries for handling HTTP requests. This error typically occurs when the required module, in this case, requests, is not installed in the Python environment. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of resolving this error and installing the requests module. Step 1. Check if requests is installed. Before diving into the installation process, it's a good idea to check whether the requests module is already installed in your Python environment. Open a terminal or command prompt and enter the following command. If requests is installed, you will see information about the installed version. If not, move on to the next step. Step 2. Install requests using pip. To install the requests module, you can use the Python package manager, pip. Open a terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This command will download and install the requests module along with its dependencies. After the installation is complete, you should be able to import requests in your Python scripts without encountering the No Module Named Requests error. Step 3. Verify installation. To ensure that the requests module is installed correctly, create a simple Python script and try importing requests. Here's an example script. Save the script and run it using the following command. If the script runs without errors and prints information about the HTTP request to www.example.com, then the requests module is successfully installed. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the No Module Named Requests error in Python. Remember to check your Python environment, install the requests module using pip, and verify the installation with a simple script. This will ensure that you can seamlessly use the requests library for handling HTTP requests in your Python projects. ChatGPT.